కేంద్ర ఆర్థిక కార్యదర్శి శక్తికాంత్ దాస్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
See a situation like that. The situation is improving, and if anything, the situation will only improve after 30th December, because more and more notes are going on. You see, the problem has been little compounded by the fact that 2000 rupee notes were kept, without putting it back into circulation. So when more 500 rupee notes go into the system, so even 2000 rupee notes also will come out circulation. And let me mention that there has been substantial improvement, there has been considerable improvement, but there are, as I mentioned, there are still areas and pockets where we are getting daily complaints, we are getting daily feedback, and based on that action is being taken.
Two questions. 60,000 accounts are found with 1 crore plus submission. It means a mammoth exercise for the income tax department and other agencies. Do we have that kind of infrastructure to narrow down on people with black money? Two, we also wanted to find out, as far as the ATM announcement goes, it was announced that, most of the ATMs are working. The figures that we have got, it shows that only 13% were working in the month of November, out of the announced 30% that you said. Out of 2 lakh...
I have understood the question. Please be, please be brief, please be brief.
Sir, just a related question. Sir, if ATMs, most of the ATMs have been recalibrated, then why aren't you increasing the withdrawal limit from the ATMs, sir?
Okay.
And has the cash supply reduced to the ATMs also, sir?
Okay. Now, with regard to the ATMs, as you know, there are 2,20,000 ATMs, and more than 2 lakh ATMs have already been, they have been recalibrated. And currency notes, we get a feedback every day between 8 and 11, and again between 11 and 3, we get a, statistics from the banks, how many ATMs are working. I mean, working in the sense that all the ATMs are in working condition, but how many ATMs are in a position, are actually dispensing cash. This 13% which I saw in somewhere, some reports or some, you just mentioned, it's a highly, sort of a kind of a, it's not at all correct. Larger number of ATMs are working. In some cases, what is happening is that the banks, some banks, it has come to our notice that some banks, in order to ensure that they are in a position to service their own customers, they prefer to give the cash through their branches. क्योंकि आप ATM में अगर कैश दे रहे हैं तो ATM में कोई अलग बैंक हो, किसी बैंक के भी वो आके कैश ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. So कई सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हमारे इट हैज कम टू आवर नोटिस जहां कि बैंक ये चाहते हैं कि उनके खुद के जो कस्टमर्स है, क्योंकि खुद के कस्टमर्स कंप्लेंट भी कर रहे हैं, वो भी हो रहा है, तो आई डोंट ब्लेम एनीबॉडी इन द प्रोसेस. सो ये हमने बैंकों, जो बैंक्स है, वी हैव ऑलरेडी एडवाइज द बैंक्स कि आप एटीएम में जो कैश सप्लाई करते हैं, जो कैश लोडिंग करते हैं, उसको तुरंत आप जारी रखिए एंड डोंट सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टार्व एनी एटीएम्स. सो इसको रेगुलरली हम लोग मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं. And with regard to the cash limit, as and when a decision cash limit for withdrawal of ATMs, you see, इसको इसीलिए लिया गया था that the emphasis was to ensure that larger number of people are getting should get the notes. अभी ये complaint भी हमारे नजर में आ रहा है कि कुछ लोग 24,000 मिल रहा है, कुछ लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा है. So therefore it has come to our notice also कि कुछ banks में branch manager locally उन लोगों ने ये डिसाइड किया है कि ठीक है, लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ पीपल, इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग देम 24,000 रुपीज, सबको थोड़ा लोअर अमाउंट 15,000 या 20,000 या 10,000 दे दे, तो वो भी लोकल लेवल में वो कर रहे हैं. सो देयरफॉर एटीएम्स का व्हेनेवर डिसीजन इज द डिसीजन ऑफ दैट लिमिट वाज इन द बैकग्राउंड of the fact that we want to ensure that more number of people are able to draw cash.
Answer my first question, sir.
What
60,000?
No, that your question about that case which you are referring to in one bank, huge amount of huge. Let's not take the name of any bank. And now the huge amounts have been deposited. Let me mention that all these information are based on the inputs which we are getting from which the revenue department, the tax authorities, the CBDT is getting from the FIU, and what the CBDT system also itself generates, and it is based on data analysis. So when you see that in a particular bank, in a particular branch, there has been deposit of more than 1 crore, too many cases. So naturally the department, income tax department, narrows down to that branch and tries to find out, finds out who are the people, what are their credentials, what are their background, do they have the means to deposit 1 crore. So it is a very
So, but
scientific.
banks don't seem to be doing their job, sir. So banks don't seem to be doing their job. They're not doing, and you know, the desired thing. They're not even
No,
following.
you are making a, just a say. I mean, that is your observation, but let me say that if an account is KYC compliant, we have to see as a part of our verification also, the income tax department and the enforcement directorate and wherever required the CBI, they are verifying whether it was a KYC compliant account or not. And the banks have been sufficiently sensitized, all the banks, both public and private sector banks have been sufficiently sensitized कि आपका इंटरनल जो सर्वेलेंस मैकेनिज्म है, बैंकों का जो इंटरनल सर्वेलेंस मैकेनिज्म है, ये अभी नहीं, ये मतलब 4 हफ्ते पहले उनको सेंसिटाइज किया गया था कि 4-5 हफ्ते पहले उनको सेंसिटाइज किया गया था कि आपका जो इंटरनल सर्वेलेंस मैकेनिज्म है, इंटरनल विजिलेंस जो मैकेनिज्म है, उसको आप एक्टिवेट करिए और इसी टाइप का कोई सस्पिशियस ट्रांजैक्शन अगर होता है तो उसको आप रिपोर्ट करिए। और मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूं, ये जो STRs आते हैं, सस्पिशियस ट्रांजैक्शन रिपोर्ट्स, that report is generated by the banks. So therefore, let us not paint all the banks in same brush. सारे STRs जो आते हैं, suspicious transaction reports, they are generated by the bank officials. So वो जो रिपोर्ट दे रहे हैं, उसी के आधार पर फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है। नहीं, इंडिविजुअल केसेस के बारे में मैं यहाँ नहीं बोलना चाहूंगा। सो 2 more questions. No, you have asked once. You have asked.
Arup, you have already
Sorry?
asked. What is the total value of 2,500 and lower value notes that has been issued in the market post November 8, number 1. And secondly, a task force was set up to look into the problems faced by the NRIs and people having currency, Indian currency in Bhutan and Nepal. So what is the status of that?
This is so far as Bhutan is concerned.
How much a foreign national who is in India can withdraw from the ATM? What is the limit for any foreign?
No, ATM का जो लिमिट है वो तो कॉमन फॉर एवरीबॉडी, उसमें कोई फॉरेन, क्योंकि ATM विल नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज, सो देयरफॉर नहीं, वो तो कॉमन लिमिट है, वो कॉमन लिमिट है। जहां तक आप भूटान और नेपाल की सवाल कर रहे हैं, भूटान के लिए जो रिपोर्ट आई थी उसमें वी हैव ऑलरेडी एग्जामिन द रिपोर्ट, so we will be taking some action, whatever action government will take, that is under examination. और जहां तक भूटान की सवाल है, already RBI has made necessary arrangements for supply of cash as required by the Bhutan authorities, because in Bhutan Indian rupee is accepted as a currency. So RBI has already given necessary instructions to the connected banks to give the cash which has been required by the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan. So we'll have to. Last question. One. Yeah, I'll come.
Total value of the
Total value I have already replied. You see, I have already replied. How many notes have been printed? I would not like to go into that. The total value, what I have said is that, the roughly about, I would say that more than, if you ask me a figure, how many notes, what is the value of, which has been supplied to the market so far, it's, I would say, more than more than 5 lakh crores have been given to the market already. More than 5 lakh. I am not able to recall, because you see, it's a figure. You see, there is always a time lag in reporting. What we get, initial report always gets further augmented after 2 days, because the information flow takes a little time. So at this juncture, I will say that more than 5 lakh crore of additional currencies have been given to the, supplied to the market.
Sir, a very quick follow-up on what you had just said.
To reach the 15 lakh crore which has been.
नहीं, देखिए 15 लाख करोड़ मतलब इसमें कोई टारगेट नहीं है कि यहाँ तक हमको पहुँचना है. The point is RBI has a particular plan of action with regard to currency supply. As per that plan of action, the currencies will be supplied.
what is the currency value extinguished? Because there is confusion on that number also.
नहीं, that I have replied. नहीं,
Is it 14.5 lakh crore? Is it 15.5?
that is what I replied. That is what I replied earlier. RBI has given a figure of about 12.5 lakh crores, which has been received back. But as I replied earlier, as I explained, we think that there is scope for double counting. So therefore, the verification of those figures are going on.
Was it 14.5 lakh?
Sorry, how much?
The value which was with public on the day this demonetization.
Was it 14.5 lakh crores?
No, the value has been extinguished, meaning what? No, I don't follow. I don't follow.
How many of worth of that? Was it 14 lakh crore or was it 15 lakh?
Quite some crores were there.
You see, देखिए उसमें that also, you know, there is the initial figure. It's about I would say it's about 15 lakh crores plus, and there was some. Let me not go into the detailed calculations. It's about 15.4 lakh crores or so. That again, you see, when we are very clear with the figures, we will ourselves give the figures. I don't want to give a figure and start a fresh round of speculation. So I think we'll have to stop. Sorry? No, I replied to that with regard to the remonetization process. The remonetization will be as per requirement, and also let us keep in mind that government has given a big push to digital transactions, and there is very significant, and in fact there is a exponential growth of digital transactions. So therefore the requirement of cash will be measured, and based on requirement the cash will be demonetized. So I think we are.
So you mentioned about
यहाँ से
बार-बार आ रहे हैं
हाँ जी
जिन बैंकों के नाम बार-बार गड़बड़ी में आ रहे हैं उनके खिलाफ कोई नोटिस वगैरह इशू किया जा रहा है?
नहीं, देखिए जहाँ पे कोई किसी का कोई भी हो, सिस्टम में कोई भी हो, अगर कहीं पे कुछ मतलब if somebody has deliberately कुछ किया है, so naturally the law will take its own course. लेकिन किसी की बैंक के बारे में यहाँ ऐसे एक ऑफ हैंड एक कमेंट देना ठीक नहीं हो. थैंक यू.
So just a follow-up on what you said.